And try MK. Okay, in this video we are going to start about putting 2 MK03 but in a finished building. Unlike the other video where we put MK in unfinished building, but this one we are going to put MK in a finished building. A double and a 2 single MK. So here, first of all, you make a large hole, and after making a large hole, you establish the base. The base is the other concrete of the floor concrete like this one. So then you measure a standard measurement of 50. So after 50, like pour your water like I did in the other video. So after pouring water, then get your cement. After putting your cement, make sure your hole is a bit deep, and this MK when it enter there, it can be inside, not like outside. It can be inside like 2 inch or 1 inch, but make sure it is inside. So place your first MK and another one. So the second one, just make sure that a wire or a pipe can pass from one side to one side. Put there, make sure that about 2 finger of space is left. And the reason why you are moving these things that somebody can enter, a pipe can enter and connect from one MK to another. Now let us use this one. So your hole is about what? It is where like the split level can stand. Like you are seeing here, it's about 1 inch inside, not outside, but inside, 1 inch. So measure again, and you see, is it your standard measure? Yeah, you see this one is 50 net, and add something balance. Get your split level and put. So your split level, you see that the split level is what? It is in the center. And move split level and see, is it balancing with the hole? Like when you do it, you will see that the split level is in the middle. So when you do it here, also make sure it is balancing, such that when you put the a socket, it balance with the wall. So do it the next. So here, make sure you do it like that. So here it is 2 up. So make sure it also comes down. Slowly, 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 slowly. And put a split level. You will establish that the split level it is still up. And now our thing is okay. So this one also puts there like this. And he also put here like this. Make sure it is in one line. So bring your sand, just small of size, and put in the bag to hold it, just slowly, and put in the bag. Put it in the bag. So mesh again. Yeah, it is in the middle, and here it is also in the middle, you see. So after measuring like this, it is in the mid balance with the wall. So leave this one to set and add another cement or other sand so that it is stick. Somebody can withdraw it, can disguise it like that. So thank you for watching the video. Thanks. Tumanyi storage sirina. Kawedde